I want you to know that I had faith for you. I wish nothing but the best for you both. Another version of me, is she perverted like me? Will she go down on you in a theater? Does she speak eloquently? Will she have your baby? I'm sure she'd make a really excellent mother. If the love that you gave that we made wasn't able to make enough for you to be open wide, and you'd know every time you speak her name, just know how you told me you'll hold me till you died, but you're still alive, and I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me all the cross I bear that you give me. You ought to know